If you hate your job or you just dream of working for yourself, we have some leads for you today.
It's a growing trend. Thousands of people are finding ways to work at home and make a pretty good living doing it.
And they love the freedom that comes with being able to earn money without making a morning commute.
Whether you are a parent who wants to be home more but still needs to make some money, or someone who needs a supplemental income to make ends meet, this may be the story you've been waiting to hear.
Whether you're looking to contribute to your family's finances or earn some extra cash, a lot of people would love to find a way to work without having to commute. Forget schemes like stuffing envelopes. Tonight, we've got legitimate ways to work from home.
And thousands of you are making extra money by working at home.
For the opportunity to make some extra cash and the luxury of doing business from the comfort of our homes.
Or spending time online, why not make money while doing it? Stay-at-home moms or dads to earn some extra cash while browsing online. $100 all the way to $10,000 weekly.
Now, there are plenty of scams out there, so experts say to do your research. Be especially careful of those get-rich-quick schemes.
But if you look at those scams, they usually require money up front.
I've always said that I have never seen a work-at-home opportunity that actually works. Well, now I have.
Congratulations! You've been personally invited to watch this private and confidential video. This video isn't available to the general public. It's only available in certain countries. If you're able to watch this video, congratulations! You're in one of the qualifying countries. My name's Alex Goodwin. What you're about to discover is highly confidential and shockingly profitable. My money-making software exploits an online marketplace worth $150 billion. This is completely new and unseen, and it's 100% legal and ethical. It has nothing to do with Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, financial trading, filling in surveys, mobile apps, writing articles, YouTube, Google, Facebook, Shopify, or MLM. I'm about to prove to you in a live demo that with my secret software, you can get started today in under 5 minutes and 14 clicks. Then, at the end of the short video, I'm going to give you my money-making software for free. So, keep on watching, or you'll hate yourself later. Now, before we go any further, I need to prove to you that I know how to make money. Lots of money. So, let me show you my personal bank account. That's over $2.3 million sat in my account, all made from the comfort of my home. I'm not showing you this to brag. I'm sharing my personal information with you, so you can trust me when I say I know how to...